corner. That's right.
So the presenters, Scott
Into the NSX,
Rory,
round,
doing their thing. The cars are waiting on the start-finish line. We're going to do the draw in a minute for people. View, if Elliot didn't jump on the camera, looked pretty good actually. Very good.
It's looking alright today.
And our little kid's been watching the cars all morning.
A lot of people skin out of Deirdre. A lot of girls end up crying.
Cracking jokes.
But today we're going to be alright.
It's nice to try.
It is.
The children
So,
really like to get drawn in by it.
Right,
They do well, keeping the crowd entertained. They're getting out a ticket from the bowl.
Part 4. 5.
This is filmed through a mesh, by the way, that's why it's a bit cloudy. They're still putting tickets in. It's a shame they can't have more than one race, but they only want to do about one race every half an hour. We've got
From Nottingham
someone heckling.
and Leeds. What did you get from Nottingham to Leeds? And think, oh, we're going the wrong way, let's turn around. That's not bad, 1 AM and you're still going strong.
Matt there is your lead, aren't you, Matt? Matt's the consolation prize if you
Scott's a straight man, or is the laughing hyena. I don't know what he is. It's quite funny, but he chats up the girls when it's all over. If he can spot some single girls, he'll be in there. So they draw the ticket to 6-1. I bit too long. Frustration. Still works. I thought if I gave it a good hiding, it might behave itself.
Our second drive is 2:30, 2:30. And we're going to race over ticket 2:30. I haven't put the right tickets in the fishbowl. 2:30.
Putting out the people.
This is working so well today.
Yeah, this is the first day that people have you.
Actually, just to point out at this juncture, the Goodwood is a generation thing, grandfathers, fathers, sons, that kind of thing, nephews, nieces, aunties, uncles. If anyone's got a nan here at the moment and thinks this is some sort of meat raffle, someone's going off a leg pole, that's not going to happen.
Doing another ticket, haven't they got anyone yet?
She said, what's that?
That little girl's keen, she's right at the front. She wants her brother's tickets as well.
Anyone at all is up 2.6. No one at all. Talking on stage.
Round of applause, listen to that.
Brother got on.
Alfie, I'm waiting for
I
Alfie.
doubt if her sister will get drawn, so...
Did you walk? No. You might be better walking down. I want to see the jam going out of this place. Have you ever run into a car before?
Yes,
Once.
I can see his sister nodding.
Your friend's house. Did you
Typical.
okay?
There's plenty of other kids
Crashed
waiting.
5 times. Don't worry, Phil from Bath earlier on crashed 36 times and still won. It's about the only race you're going to see where you can crash that many times and still win. Alfie, I think you're going to be absolutely fine. Okay? You ready to go to the back seat?
He's going to be lucky if he gets in seat 1.
Alfie, everyone, our first driver!
Definitely
noise. Look at that. Really open British applause.
The one with the new steering wheel. The other steering wheel is falling to bits. Still works though, I could drive with it, no problem, but they wanted to put a new one in because they put all the celebrities in there and they wanted to new wheel on. They've drawn another little kid, the youngsters. I'll go on the main screen to see it.
Kingsfield, okay, fair enough. Now, you've seen Alfie, who's our first driver. What do you think your chances are out of 10? You think you're going to crash? Well, it's nice that we have such confident drivers on the stand today. Have you seen the miniature cars? So you think you're going to crash?
Got all the cameras they can mix in.
might get around. We're going to get around 5 times with the prize. So it's going to put such overconfident drivers on the stand
and the pre-select.
Harvey, let's hear about Harvey.
Recording equipment here.
Right, our next ticket.
Real time.
Okay, excited.
Internet connection.
Also digital.
Plenty of kit around. The audio mic, and the video. I mean all the lighting, etc.
301.
Another.
Here he is.
We're
We've got our first
getting
contestant.
most on the
Ladies and gentlemen, come on.
finish of seat 3. This is the.
You might need to take this back off before you.
Oh, he's carrying a lot of kit.
As I said, we've got a marker there. We'll put another ring on there. It's like London 2012 on the top.
He tracks that ring joke every time. Put a ring on it.
Okay, we're sorry to come and take this back off you. There you go. So you can behind it. There we go. And this one.
The lovely Harry.
Come on, son.
You can see Mark Webb, do you, turning up with his freebie.
Done an amazing job.
I don't care what's in it, it's a bag, it's free, I'll have it. Oh, it's just some brochures.
The race being nearly finished.
What's your name,
Excellent.
sir? David. And where are you listening us from there?
We'll be ready in a minute.
Everyone's quite local. We're a little gang from Oxford Line Leeds down there.
One more to draw.
And how long ago was it that you last drove a remote control car?
I'll pull one of the
About a week ago.
receivers off. I left it hanging off.
So you're sitting around
Just to watch the lights on it. It's working, but the picture feed is not good. I'm convinced the actual high-testing monitor is up the chute.
Our next ticket is ticket 221. 221. I love the fact that there's sort of raffle element to this. We're not going to
Last
super
ticket, number 4.
When I called that, a few people wanted to tear their tickets up and throw them down in anger. There's 221 in here, even this. We might have another draw, but let's see. 221. Anyone at all? 221. 221. No?
Oh, that little girl wants to go. That girl's so keen to have a go.
Next ticket is 238.
Oh, she's unhappy she didn't win.
Anyone at all with ticket 238? Here she is. Let's have our first female driver of the day. I love the fact you should all free blue hats.
Oh, we've got a woman.
Before going on to the stand. We would have had that. I'll send the car back to the day. Exit to in. Sarah, where are you going for? I'm sorry, you have to think about that. You did, okay. And who are you here with today?
How much of this video card I'm going to have left?
Cheering what? Or is it going to be laughing when you crash out first of all? He's going to laugh, exactly, yeah. The families here are so much supportive. Unless you write that and there's a bottle of champagne for the winner. And you've got to drive it home. You've got that chauffeur for the day. Excellent. And what's your name? Sarah, let's hear from Sarah, our whole driver, everyone. So,
Comes in the door here.
there they are. There's the team.
Sit down to the seat.
The boys are already kicking off in the corner for some reason. That's X-Head. You can see them on the camera. We've got Sarah that's about to be shown how it's all working. There it is. They're using their steering wheels and seats. The cars at the front, they're British cameras in the front of the cars. There they are. Big British giant strolling across. You've got Sarah on the checkered flag across the stand. And they're going to go around our track. And they have to get around 5 times, and if they get out first, they will win the prize on the champagne. Let's remind ourselves of the circuit.
So here's our starting group. We have Alfie in P1. Alfie, Sarah, David, and Harvey are our racers.
So Alfie's in red, Harvey's in white, David's in silver, and Sarah is in the black car. The cars in the front. I can give you some facts. They can be starting the engine.
I'd say car 1 or 2 will win this. Car 1 or 2 will win. Car 3's got the handicap. Car 4's that woman. There's got to be 1 or 2, and they're also on the front of the grid. So unless they crash, they should get away. Yeah, 1 and 2 got away okay. again. Okay, the camera, someone stood on the camera again, so the cameraman's just gone out. Oh, he's oversteered. There's no one in the to marshal him around the back of the track. So it means the red and number 2, I think that is. So red one leads. Okay, Glenn's back after fixing the camera. There's the shot from inside the red. Where's the silver car? It's still going round. Red's looking good, he's getting the hang of it. Except here comes the chicane. Can he get it in? No, he didn't. He took out the black one as well. Oh, they've got a marshal now. There's that barrier we have to put in the tunnel, stop them keep smacking into the pole under there. This is quite good, the red and black are quite close. Yeah, they're doing well.
23 seconds is our fastest lap at the moment. Our fastest ever lap over the 4 days is still 16.29. Sarah has our fastest lap at the moment at 23 seconds.
Okay, Sarah's quickest. This goes to show. Oh, the red one's in the barrier. And then she engaged reverse at the wrong time.
Sarah's taking the lead.
The black car's gone into the lead. Yeah, if you get stuck, it's really annoying because you can lose so much time. Oh, and number 3, I can see always out the tunnel. Oh yes, just bounce back it off the wall. Oh, she gets it stuck in the wall.
One more lap.
One more lap.
Sarah's on the back of the course. She's
Oh, he's getting the
Yeah, you're
hang.
about to win. Well done. We're going, actually coming into her last lap.
and Sarah, she can avoid Deirdre. He's going to go
Close across the line between the white and black cars. The other 2 are coming round, number 2 and 3. I hope the car coming out the tunnel alright. Number 3's getting the hang of it. He probably got stuck. Oh, he lost some signal there. Then he's crossed the line. And number 2 is just he's just coming across the line, I believe.
Sarah did 2 minutes.
He's still going actually, like number 2 doesn't want to get off. Okay, she won it. It's lucky. It depends how lucky you are whether you get knocked off. There you go, you won it. Might as well film it to the presentation. I'm sure 1 or 2 would have won, but I guess number 4 can win. Time 2:06.
Basically, you're going to drive dad home when he's drunk later. And how does it feel to have beaten the boys?
No, she's happy.
Excellent. Well, let's hear it for Sarah. Everyone, here's the champagne. There we go.